The impact cycle is a universal process for change that involves three parts: identify, learn, and improve. The first part of the impact cycle is called identify, and it has within it three steps. First step is to identify a clear picture of current reality. Now, often coaching involves, let's start with a goal. What our feeling is, how can you set a goal unless you know where you are? And so therefore we start with a clear picture of current reality. Second thing is to set a goal, what we call a peer's goal: powerful, emotionally compelling, easy, reachable, student focused. And then the third part of identify is to figure out a strategy to help us hit that peer's goal. Those three steps: identify a clear picture of current reality, identify a goal, identify a strategy, get the teachers set up so that they can move forward through the cycle and start making change. Next step is to help them get ready to implement. That's the learn stage. During the learn stage, the focus is totally on ensuring the teacher is ready to go. And so we sit down with the teacher, we make sure there's a shared understanding of the strategy. Sometimes that involves going through a checklist. Now, we don't just pull a checklist out of a book and say you need to do it this way. We work with the teacher to make sure it has what Atul Gawande refers to as ecological validity. It works in that particular setting for that particular teacher. And then after we describe the strategy, we give the teacher a chance to see it. It might be that I go in the classroom and model it for her. Maybe the teacher goes and watches another teacher. Maybe I co-teach. Maybe the teacher and I get together when there are no students in the class and I model the strategy. Maybe we watch a video, maybe some combination of those things. But after the learning stage, the teacher should say, I'm ready to go. I'm ready to implement the strategy, and that's the next step. During the improve stage, the teacher tries out the new strategy, and more often than not, it doesn't work exactly the way we'd hoped it would. So that means we have to make some adaptations, some modifications. We might change the strategy. We might change how we teach the strategy. We might change the goal. We might change how we measure progress towards the goal. We might say it's going to work, it just hasn't worked yet, we'll just wait. And we keep making adaptations and modifications, moving forward until we finally hit the goal that we want to hit.